The following contest is a tornado tag team match. Introducing first, from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, Dr. Britney Baker.
Already so confident on the way to the ring.
That's not confidence, Saxton. That is all ego.
In what way?
Ego's like art. You know it when you see it.
One of the top names in the entire women's division, and she plans on showing exactly why here tonight.
Here we go. She is ready.
And her partner, from Vancouver, British Columbia, Charlie Green.
The incredible accomplishments, the storied feats of strength, the pure talent of this individual is just astonishing.
Wait, did they write that down for you to read on air? Like, it sounds exactly like what I heard them saying in the mirror backstage. She is ready for this big match, and she knows everyone backstage will be watching her make an impact.
And from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, Taylor Styles.
The feeling, the electricity in the arena right now is unlike anything I've ever felt in quite some time. This match is going to be good.
She knows tonight is going to be a big challenge, but if anyone is up for it, it's this woman.
And from Dallas, Texas, Britney Sparks.
This superstar has no hobbies, no stress relievers, nothing outside of WWE. That is the secret to their success and the adoration from the WWE Universe.
Well, that's just up until the WWE Universe realizes how one-dimensional this dud right here is.
Such a pessimist. She's been training for this match for quite a while, and she plans on making a statement here tonight.
And as you can see, everyone is legal in this match. You can pin any opponent at any time, making this match aptly called a tornado match.
Dorothy, we are not in Kansas anymore.
Ooh, kick right to the leg.
Shoulder to the gut. Sunset flip into a powerbomb. And a heartbreaker. Stepping through. Legs all locked up here. Just punishing the opponent. Crushing face first impact.
Stomping. Ouch.
Oh, I haven't seen this in a long time. The old air raid crash. Oh, man. Didn't even need that eyebrow anyway. Oh, snapmare. And will this be it? Kicks out of the pinfall attempt. She likely knew that wasn't enough. She's just keeping the pressure on. Mounting. And hammered away. I believe his aggression aggression, just pure brutality.
Easy.
Things taking a turn for her now. She misses the mark.
Knee drop.
Oh, yeah, she is really showing her confidence.
She's able to get out of the way.
Oh, and back to the elbow.
Butterfly double underhook. Up and down face first.
She wants to take this one outside the ring, it seems.
Punch him in the chest. Face first off the barricade.
Caught on a back elbow. Look at this. Nice. Placed into the corner. She's got an answer for that.
Kick right to the leg.
And oh my God.
That's a jump. Standing Spanish fly. Are you kidding me? Incredible.
Great counter.
DDT.
She's taking a beating here.
And a mud hole is being stomped. Uh-oh. Face first in the turnbuckle.
That's a few times now she's taking a hit up in that region.
Evades their offense.
Fails to connect on this. Trap in the arm.
I'm not sure there's anything she can do here. And there's the save.
She's looking highly motivated, getting hyped up.
Putting the shoulder in jeopardy there. Attack after attack on target. She flips it back on her. Oh, they're firing. Oh! There's the save. How close was that? Shoulders down. Oh, what a save. Corey, that should have been 3.
I couldn't agree more.
You have to think these competitors expected this to be a difficult challenge.
Even so, at this stage, things just get more and more dangerous. Fatigue starts setting in, and you don't know exactly have all your wits about you. It can quickly lead to error.
Springboard misses the target.
Brutal face buster.
Looking for the rings of Saturn. It's a pin.
Time to flip it. Double switch. Looks like a match ender.
For the win! 2, 3. She wins! She wins!
Here are your winners.
Making their case for one of the best teams around with that win.
These women absolutely earned this one, showing an impressive level of tag team expertise.